The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, I was shown hell, and most of it was made up of women who were disbelievers. It was said, O Messenger of Allah, do they disbelieve in Allah? He, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, they are ungrateful to their husbands. And they are ungrateful for kindness. If you continue to be kind to one of them throughout your life, then if you ever say something to her that she dislikes, she will immediately say, I have never seen any good from you. Sahih al-Bukhari Kitab al-Iman Hadith 29.